Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lizzie Teacher's Cooking World. Today I have come with the recipe of Kolkata. Kolkata is a dish which is a Kerala dish which is made one day before the Palm Sunday. It is made of roasted rice flour with fillings of coconut and jaggery. Now this Kolkata is made in remembrance of Lazarus, who was raised from death, and his sister makes a sweet dish with rice flour. Now this Saturday is also called as Lazarus Saturday, and people in Kerala make this Kolkata on Saturday, one day before the Palm Sunday. Now I will show you all the recipes I use to make Kolkata. We need roasted rice flour. This is jaggery which I have boiled with little water and strained it so that if there are any impurities that can be removed. I have taken 15 cardamom which I have powdered with sugar, and this is dry ginger powder. Now dry ginger is this. You all can get dry ginger powder in bottles also. And this is cumin seed powder. Now I will show you all how to make Kolkata. First I have to boil water. If I am taking 1 cup, I have to boil 1 cup of water, and if I am taking 2 cups, I will have to boil 2 cups of water. And see, now I will take 2 cups of rice flour. I have taken 2 cups of rice flour, so I will boil 2 cups of water and mix it into the rice flour. I have kept 2 cups of water. I will be adding little salt into the water and let it boil very nicely. Now I'll add this water little by little. I'll keep this closed for some time, and then we will prepare the filling. Now for the filling, I have taken 1 medium-sized coconut grated, and this is jaggery water. I put little water in 400 grams of jaggery and strained it. Now we will go to the kitchen to make the filling. I will put 1.5 tablespoon of oil into it. This is 1 spoon, and little more I added. That is 1.5 spoon of oil. You can add whichever oil you want, and then while hot, little you have to knead it. Now I have kept a kadai on the gas, and on the gas this is jaggery water which I have strained, which I have boiled and strained. Now I will add the coconut. This is 1 grated coconut. and I will saute this nicely. This has to become a little dry, not very dry. If it is very dry, then the filling will become very hard. So it should not be very dry, neither should it be watery. If it is watery, then when you make the filling, the jaggery oozes out from the Kolkata. Now the water is dried. We won't make it very dry because it will harden afterwards. Now I will put, this is 15 cardamom which I powdered with sugar, and I will add half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder and half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder. I'll mix it nicely, and now I will add little raisins and cashew nuts. This is optional. It adds taste. If you all want, you all can add it. Even if you all don't add, then also it will taste good. Now I will off the gas. Now I had kept the dough to rest for some time. Now the dough is ready and even the filling is ready. Now I will show you all how to make the Kolkata. You have to take a ball and you have to make it like this so that you can do the filling inside. You can wet your hands a little so that it becomes thin. The coating, if it is thin, it tastes better. Now I will put the filling inside. And close it like this. And gently you have to make like this, and then put the filling inside. See, like this. And close the mouth like this. You can make it big or small according to how you want. And this will be steamed in a idli maker. After making all the Kolkatas, we will steam this in a idli. Now I have finished making all the Kolkatas. Now we will go to the kitchen and steam it in a idli maker. Now I have kept the idli maker on the gas and I have on it, and it's 5 minutes. The water must be boiling, so I will put the Kolkata inside. See, and steam this for 15 minutes. Now I will wait for 15 minutes till the Kolkata is done. Now 15 minutes are over. I will off the gas and I will remove the lid. See, our Kolkata is ready. Now I will keep it little time open so that it will become little cool, and I will take it in a plate. Now our Kolkata is ready. Now you all saw how easy it was to make Kolkata. Now I will take one Kolkata and my granddaughter Melinda is going to taste it. See.
Thank you.
How is the Kolkata?
It's really sweet and it's really nice and it's really beautiful. And you can see inside the coconut chocolate. We call it in Malayalam because it's actually like healthy chocolate with coconut. You can see she has put raisins, cashew nuts, and it's really beautiful.
Okay. Now, as I told you all, this Kolkata is made one day before the Palm Sunday. Do try it at home and don't forget to write your valuable comments. And if you are watching my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and
like.
And don't forget to press the bell button so that you will get all the notifications of the videos I upload. Now once again, thanks for watching my video. Until I come with some more exciting recipe, goodbye. Thank you.
I'll meet you in the next video. I come for taste.